Today, I will continue to explain to you how to push a Kuaishou live broadcast after using our AI face swapping software. This live streaming function means that after we complete the real-time face swap and video face swap, we can use OBS or the live stream push address to carry out a real-time push stream and direct traffic to our live streaming platform. Now let's adjust the size of the screen, and we're ready to show you how to conduct Kuaishou live broadcast through AI face swapping software. Let's start by adjusting the size of a window. Now we're ready to go live once we've adjusted it. Let's open the Kuaishou live broadcast companion first, and this is the page after our Kuaishou live broadcast companion comes in. Here we select a scene in the scene bar and add one. I'm using the scenario 1 demo now. Once we've selected the scene, we'll import our screen here in the window. The window has a horizontal and vertical screen. Choose your preference to make a selection. You can see that this window is now in a vertical state, and I will use the vertical screen to do a live broadcast for you and give a brief explanation. As you can see, the window is now a portrait screen. In the case where the presentation window is smaller than the scene window, we can click the right button and we can see a scale adaptation screen, and we click on it. Now that we have chosen a suitable adaptation screen, we can choose a favorite effect in the left window to beautify a live broadcast. For example, if you want to share the fun of the video you saw today, we can share it through the video option on the left. Let's add an image first. Click Open. We find the image we want to share, and now the image is imported into our live feed, and the image can be zoomed in and out freely. Adding a video is the same as adding an image. Like when we tweak, we can also add other special effects and other things, and in the other option, there is text creation. In creating text, we can write the text and put it in the live broadcast room, and the text placed in the live broadcast screen will be displayed in the platform where we live broadcast. When you don't want to show the video from the live stream, you can hide it by clicking on the icon with the eye. So, here is the introduction to this live broadcast. Have you learned?